Where's the slime?
I
No!
blow up. Smith.
There he is.
There's
Grab
another
one.
There's not. What the fuck?
Ready? Go. Push the guy.
Cyber Clint.
You're aiming. You drop mortars there?
My game just froze.
You see?
You have a Valkyrie.
Easy, bro.
It's a gun, cuh.
Oh, Batman.
Well, technically, one of the other games I got for this driving, shooting.
Yeah.
And,
Okay.
I heard Thor once, and I know. Yeah.
I have no fucking clue what you just said.
But
You killed Breaking Bad, bro.
Breaking pinches.
actually, something.
Wait, there's a guy
there's
on
a assault
me.
rifle ammo, no SMG
There's a
ammo.
guy on me, bro. Fox, there's a guy on me, bro.
You'll probably bullshit something like, "Oh, you wouldn't, we don't think you're the right fit for the team."
You're not gay.
Okay, elaborate.
Yeah.
We just don't think you're the right fit for the team.
Guys, they're on our base, by the way.
No, they're not.
How'd you know?
Huh?
It's 'cause
It's
looking
not
at it.
cheats. Oh no, it'll never be out of me.
Oh god.
Kick the truck door. Oh my god. Some micro village.
We have a country to run. Fun isn't part of the equation.
Nick, where are you? Nick,
Wait, I'm loading, I'm loading.
we're gonna see each other.
Oh!
Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. She's moving.
You missed. Oh.
Alright, then I'm risking it too. Then.
Oh.
Okay.
What was that?
Nick, I cheated the system. Oh, I'm running.
Listen, back in the day, like you put so much effort, bro. Come, swap places, yeah. I'll show you how to rape.
Ours. Take it. Trials from here.
Kratos.
Boy.
War. Do not.
Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking
You good? Arrow facing forward.
Oh, why is
Yeah.
Nick mudded and you're not?
Because man, I start lagging. Look, look. Bro, Rockers, you smell diabetes.
Yeah, no, it's thinking about you.
Huh? You
Black man
monkey.
always has weapons. What? Watch this. Your mom.
At the top. Behind it, bro.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You revived, you don't run me!
Like I swear we could have ran all this distance if we just didn't climb the fucking thing.
You cunt. I just. Oh my god, he started jacking it at ultra speed.
Like, Nick, if you 180, you should be there. In that room, right there. You saw him. He left.
We have been eliminated.
How did you
The guy
die?
left. Alibi killed him.
How did she die?
Oh. She's dead. She. Hey, man.
Is it wet? Oh shit!
Oh.
Yeah.
Became Lego.
I'm dead.
I mean, died.
That's when you wake up at like 1 p.m. I woke up at 5 p.m. I mean 5 a.m. Fucking 2 hours later.
What did bro just? The Minecraft.
Yes, now turn to Shalon, focusing on her. You are still waiting for a response.
I'm dead.
I'm a.
Nick! Dead.
Can't get fucked.
It's liquid pain. I'm drinking it right now.
Wow.
I'm tripping. I killed myself. No! Stay
Echoes.
No! Oh, there's darkness. Here it is.
I say right foot creep, oh, walking with that heater.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Because then they can't put it upstairs. I mean, as a touch drone, I can always just get it from underneath. We won't have to push from. It's still, I'll still push from upstairs. So maybe go into yellow, just like that.
Okay, bro spoke.
Johnny.
I'm a retard. I can't tie my shoe.
She's using a big part to my
I got you.
Time to armor up.
This army, he's literally on my body, bro.
Starbucks, I've been
3 enemies remaining.
So I'm walking down the road. I thought I see a street fight.
I'm down to one.
Hey, watch this, bro. Bro has the biggest balls.
Watch this, bro.
The diffuser is no longer in your possession.
Oh man, blood.
Drop the diffuser.
Thanks.
The diffuser has been secured.
No, I said I'm 9.
You're 100%. You're 100% said into.
Wallahi, I didn't say what I'm not to man.
You 100% did.
I'm sorry.
Lord have mercy. We must stay focused, brother.
Swapping mags.
What just happened to me?
CPU cable as well, and the way you tell is you will see that it
Hey, done it.
splits.
Okay.
It's pretty attached.
Something exploded. After 6 years of not playing.
Why won't you die already? Hey, that's one of Bricken's men.